Today I'm going to be installing the rest of the lights that I got from Headlight Revolution. We have 1000 lumen reverse LED lights and really cool interior LED lights as well, and license plate LED lights. So I'll be buttoning that all up and we'll have our whole Headlight Revolution order installed, and all the dim yellow lights will be gone and replaced with LEDs, which give it a nice clean look. Toyota trucks ever since the 70s have hardly changed with how they mount stuff. They're just really well engineered. But these tail lights are different. I got these 2 Torx screws. Now I'm not doing LED turn signals. I don't like how much popping is involved in taking off the grills and the headlights. You have to know which direction to pull, and you just kind of pull till the snap pops out. Oh, interesting. I always wondered how the soft close tailgate works. There it is. It's just a lever that's on a strut. Genius. Anyway. So that's the white reverse light. Pull our light out. Boom. Now this pops in there. These things are so powerful. All right. 1000 lumens each. Complete overkill. Love it. Looking for a good way to kind of tie this out of the way. All done. I always assumed reverse lights were just to kind of warn people that you're backing up, but I could see that at night it could be really nice to throw enough light out there to see where you're going backing up. All done, let's see how they look. Now we're going to be replacing the cargo lights, which illuminate what's in the bed of the truck. That is going to be so nice to have super bright lights there. I've never had a cargo light on a truck before that you can just turn on with a switch, which is really cool for me. I know that technology's been out for like 25 years, but my trucks have never had it. One of the main reasons I went with Headlight Revolution is because of their reputation, but also because they do extensive testing on tons of different lights. I used to be the guy that would go in the forums and read every single post on every single light and every single suspension option and just totally absorb all of that, and that was really fun. And that still is fun to me, but not as fun as getting out and just enjoying the outdoors and mountain biking and hiking and jeeping and zipping all around. That is way more fun than reading on the forums anymore. So I don't have time to read to the forums like I used to. So I'm now at the point where I can trust someone else's opinion instead of having to dig through all that research myself and potentially miss something or misunderstand something. And that's why I went with Headlight Revolution. They did all the research work for me. They did all of that for all of us. And now we can just trust their recommendation and get the lights that they recommend. So this is what they recommended for Kino, our truck. And I really appreciate that because that saved me probably 20, 30 hours of just reading through the forums trying to decipher all of that. All right, let's get these installed. Should have done some research on the proper way to do this. I just got back from watching the install videos on Headlight Revolution's YouTube channel, and they are awesome. That's another big reason I go with Headlight Revolution. They have install videos on all these, and they're very well done. So we have 2 different bulbs here. We have the crystal lens, which is a single LED. This is actually for the map light. And then we have these, which are for my cargo lights back here. All right, button her back up. Really interesting. I'll have to wait till night to see how all this looks. We'll have to test it out. All right, we've got our map lights in here, which is where that crystal panel goes, and these vanity lights here, we will swap these out with LEDs as well. And our main light here. Once again, using my trusty Harbor Freight plastic pry bars. I use these for all stereo installs and all that. Nice. And I'm also putting the crystal lens in this. Turn it on to make sure that's working. Good. Alright, our last lights are these interior vanity lights that turn on when you open a little mirror. We'll be replacing them with these guys. Ta-da! I'm glad I'm doing this on a new truck, because if I was doing this on a 15-year-old truck from Arizona or something that had brittle plastic everywhere, all that would be breaking. Alright, we got our beautiful white vanity lights, our map lights, our dome lights, reverse lights, light bar, headlights, fog lights, cargo light. This is really cool. I'm excited for this great upgrade. It's going to be fun to see everything really bright and have a nice, clean white look instead of that dingy yellow look from the halogens.